Welcome to Quinn's Next Step. On today's episode, I'm going to start off by getting some tomatoes from the garden, because we're going to make the Rubin Report Cookbook Homemade Crunchwrap Supreme by Connor McGrath. We're going to use some Pure Pastures ground beef, Rico's Gourmet nacho cheese, Daisy sour cream. Gotta thaw out the meat a little better. Some McCormick's original taco seasoning. Oh, but you don't put the powder in first. Gotta clean up that mess. Yeah, go ahead and swirl it like this, or swirl it like that. Twist it. Turn it. Use your fingers, use your wrist. Use your whole hand. Heat up that nacho cheese. Oh yeah, I scrape everything out of there. Liquid gold. This Pure Pastures beef has very little fat on it. Let's get the condiments ready. It's bubbling. Now with the tomatoes, I like to dice like this. A little bit of that. However you want to dice them, just don't cut yourself. Yeah, you gotta keep browning that meat. Get it nice and brown. A little bit of pink. Go ahead and add that taco seasoning mix. Get a nice simmer. Let's put it together. Oh, I ran out of lettuce. Let's get some. Oh, wow. This actually folds really easily. It's as if the tortilla wants to fold around the tostada this way. Sweet. And this one. Oh, I think I just cracked it. Oh my gosh, the stuffing's coming out. Let's see, stuff it back in. Keep folding, hold, stuff it in, and flip it, it'll hold. Right? Get it in there on the sit. Uh-oh. So, this is not working. Flipped it, and now, okay, I can't tuck it back under. Let's get another pan. Just flip it back on that, right? Oh, crap, now it's folded in half. Let's put the good one in there. And, okay, let's see, flip it back over. Let's get a regular plate. Oh man, this is a mess. What am I gonna do? Can I fold it back together? Nope. Oh, another tortilla. Yeah, now I can stuff it all back in. Oh, and it's folding. Oh, goodness. Let it sizzle. Oh, let's check on this one. Sweet. Got a nice toast on that. And now this one. Yeah. All right, both sides on the good one. Now the double tortilla. Let's see it. There's the recipe. Thank you, Connor. Thank you to the Rubin Report community. This is a great cookbook. I'll probably do some more another time. Welcome to Quinn's Next Step.